Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home and enjoy your stay. Right here on Sister J's channel, I talk about food, I cook food, and I eat food. Today, I'm going to talk about onions. And please note, I am not a medical doctor. This is for information purposes only. Onions contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammations, decrease triglycerides, and reduce cholesterol levels, all of which may lower heart disease risk. Their potent anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce high blood pressure and protect against blood clot. A study in Italy and Switzerland shows that the more people eat onions, the lower their rates of cancer. Wow. Scientists also think onions may reduce and fight obesity. That means me need some onions. Onions are an expected source of vitamin C with more than 8 milligrams per medium onion. Wow. Guys, please do your research. We can enjoy onions in many different ways. By simple making some onion rings, we can top avocado toast with some raw onion, toss minced shallot into your vinaigrette. No need to overthink it. Sauteed onions make most meals more delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine.